If I lost everything tomorrow and wanted to get rich fast in 2026, I'd build the exact business I'm about to show you in this video. And I'm not just talking theory here, I've actually done this. I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 a day when I was 21 years old and my first $2,600 a day at 22. So when I tell you this is the fastest path to making real money, I'm speaking from experience. This isn't some hypothetical business model I read about on Reddit of all places. This is what actually works right now and will work in 2026. Now, before we dive into what you should be doing, let me tell you what you should absolutely not be doing if you want to get rich fast, because it's just as important, if not more. And go ahead, feel free to ignore this and stay poor, it's not my problem. I need to be brutally honest with you here, because I see way too many people wasting years of their life and tens of thousands of dollars on this. Do not sell physical products. I repeat, do not sell physical products. I'm talking about the dropshipping trap that everyone falls into. You've probably seen the YouTube ads, the gurus showing off rented cars and telling you that dropshipping is the key to freedom. Let me break down why this is such a terrible path if you actually want to get rich in 2026. Dropshipping is extremely low profit. You're making maybe 5 to 20% margins if you're lucky. The market is insanely competitive because literally everyone and their mom is trying to resell the same cheap products from Wish or AliExpress. You're all fighting over the same customers, trying to sell them the same garbage, and it becomes a race to the bottom. Whoever can afford to spend the most on ads and make the least profit wins. That's not a game you want to play when you're starting from zero. I actually know this from personal experience because dropshipping was one of the first businesses I tried with a friend back in high school. We were so excited, we thought we might become overnight millionaires, who knows? We poured all our money into building a Shopify store, running some cheap Facebook ads, and honestly, we got lucky at first. We actually got our first online sale only 30 minutes after launching our first ever ad campaign. We were losing our minds, thinking we just cracked the code to making money, but that was just beginner's luck, I can tell you that. When we actually did the math at the end, we didn't make any profit. We lost money on the ads, on the product costs, and on the shipping. It was a disaster. Let me put this in perspective for you. If you only had 2 hours a day to work, would you take the job that pays you $2,000 an hour or $2 an hour if you wanted to get rich? Obviously, you'd take the $2,000 an hour job, right? So why would you invest all your time, effort, and money into more difficult, saturated business models that pay you pennies when there is a much better way? It literally makes zero sense. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to sell digital products. This is where the real money is, and I'm going to show you exactly why. When you sell digital products, you're looking at 60 to 98% profit margins, depending on which level you're at. And listen, even at 60% profit margins, you'd be making hundreds of thousands a month and living an incredible life. So you're going to be just fine. But think about this. When you sell a digital product for $1,000, you're keeping $800 to $998 of that. Almost all of it goes straight into your pocket. Compare that to dropshipping, where you sell something for $100 and you're keeping maybe $5 to $20 after product costs, shipping, ads, and all the other expenses. It's not even close. And right now, the e-learning industry is absolutely exploding. By 2030, it's predicted to be valued at more than $800 billion US, and that number keeps growing every single year. People are spending more money on education and self-improvement than ever before because they realize that's the real investment that changes their lives. They don't want more cheap products from China that break after 1 month. They want knowledge and skills that actually transforms their situation. Now the key is that we don't just want to sell any kind of digital product. I'm not talking about some $20 ebooks that nobody wants or even needs. I'm not talking about some cheap $100 courses made with ChatGPT. We're going to sell a high-ticket consulting or service offer around a painful problem. This is the key ingredient that most people miss. First, you need to pick a big market. There are three main big markets that will never go away: health, money, and relationships. People will always pay to be healthier, wealthier, and have better relationships. These markets are worth trillions of dollars because they tap into fundamental human desires. You want to pick one of these three. Don't try to do all three at once. Just pick the one that you're most interested in or have the most experience with. Then, within that market, we want to find a specific group of people we want to help. We're getting specific here because the riches are in the niches. For example, in the health market, maybe you want to help people who want to lose weight, or people who want to build muscle, or people who want to fix their sleep because they're insomniacs. In the money market, maybe you help people who want to invest in the stock market, or business owners who want to get more leads, or people who want to get promoted at their job. In the relationships market, maybe you want to help people who want to find love, or people who want to improve their marriage, or people who want to build better friendships, become better communicators. You pick your specific group, your ideal client avatar, and you're going to build a high-ticket program specifically for them. Not a generic course for everyone, a specific program that solves their specific painful problems. This is how you stand out, and this is how you can charge premium prices. And yes, we're charging premium prices, between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 and even more. And the reason for that is because we solve painful problems for people which are worth a lot of money to solve. Now maybe you just freaked out hearing those numbers. You're thinking, nobody's gonna pay me that much money. Well, that tells me you've never invested in yourself first. But let me explain why this pricing actually makes sense and why it's better for literally every party involved. Something more expensive provides more value. A Ferrari provides a lot more value than your average Toyota. When someone pays you a few $1,000s for your program, they're way more likely to value it than someone who pays $50 or $100 for a cheap ChatGPT course. You're giving them personalized attention, a clear roadmap, accountability, and custom strategies for their specific situation. That's worth way more than some $10 ebook made with ChatGPT. And here's what's great for us as the business owner. This means we make more money with fewer customers. Think about the math here. If we wanted to make $10,000 per month with a $2,000 offer, we only need 5 clients a month. That's literally it. Compare that to trying to make $10,000 per month with a $100 offer. You'd need 100 clients. Which sounds easier to you? Getting 5 clients or getting 100 clients? When you have fewer clients paying more, you can take better care of them. You can give them more attention, more support, more personalized help. Because you're serving them better, they get better results. When they get better results, they give you awesome testimonials. When you have awesome testimonials, it becomes way easier to get even more customers. It's a positive cycle that builds momentum and everybody wins. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now here's the question everybody asks. How do we actually get clients that pay us between $1,000 and $10,000? The answer is way simpler than you think. First, we're going to make educational content on social media specifically to attract our ideal client avatar. Notice I said specifically to attract our ideal client. This is crucial. Don't fall into the trap of making content just to get views. Views from random people don't matter. I don't care if you get 1 million views from people who will never buy from you. What matters is getting views from your target client avatar, the people who actually have the problem you solve and can afford to pay you to solve it. There are people out there with less than 100,000 subscribers making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, some getting close to $1 million a month, and most of it is profit. Meanwhile, there are huge influencers with 1 million to 10 million followers who only make $10,000 to $20,000 a month. For their massive audience, that's embarrassingly small. The difference is strategic content. You need to create content that speaks directly to your ideal client's pain points, desires, and objections. You're not trying to entertain everyone. You're trying to educate and attract the right people. When you do this consistently, you'll have people reaching out to you asking how they can work with you. You won't have to chase them down. They'll come to you because you've positioned yourself as the expert who can solve their problem. Here is what this looks like in practice. Let's say you want to help people lose weight as an example. You're creating content around the mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. You're sharing transformation stories, results of clients if you have any. Don't worry if you don't yet. You're breaking down the psychology of why diets fail. You're teaching them about nutrition and training, etc. Every piece of content is designed to demonstrate you know what you're talking about while highlighting the problem your ideal client has. Then a few times during the video and at the end, you tell people exactly what's the next step, how they can work with you. Click the link in bio, book a call, etc. Selling high-ticket consulting or services is scalable, profitable, and honestly, it's the fastest way to build real wealth in 2026. You don't need a lot of startup capital. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need a warehouse or employees. You just need your knowledge, your willingness to help people, and a way to deliver value. That's literally it. And before you say, but I'm not an expert, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of your ideal client. If they're at step 1 and you're at step 5, you can help them to get to step 3. That's worth paying for. You'll learn and you'll grow as you help more people, and your expertise will increase over time, but you can start today with what you already know. So to sum it up, in just a few actionable steps, if I wanted to get rich fast in 2026, or at the very least make $10,000 a month, I would start a high-ticket consulting or service business. I'd choose a specific problem I can solve for someone, like helping business owners to get more clients, or helping busy moms lose weight. I'd charge between $1,000 and $10,000. Then I'd start by posting content on social media to attract my ideal customer to me, and I'd invite them to a call and close some deals. Then I'd work closely with them to make sure they get results, and I'd use their testimonials, preferably video testimonials, to get even more clients and help more people. Then, in order to scale, I'd hire people to take care of the parts of the business which I don't absolutely need to take care of myself, like sales or anything to do with editing content, etc. If you'd like me to personally help you to build a profitable online business and reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, check out the free training I made for you. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step, even with limited time and money. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.